Hi, this is our review on our AEG oven. It's quite a basic model of oven, so it doesn't particularly do anything or singing and dancing, but it does feel really good quality and sturdy, so I feel like it's going to be a project that will probably last quite a long time. It's got a nice modern design which goes well with our kitchen and really fits in quite well. The door handles and the doors and everything feel nice and sturdy, so really good quality. Don't feel at all flimsy. Got a really nice stainless steel handle and surround. It's got some really nice hobs here that we actually quite find a bit of a novelty. They're not particularly anything functional, but I quite like that they pop in and out. It just gives that little edge to something, makes it a bit more modern. One little negative to do with these is you can't actually see what they're saying unless, well, me personally, unless you stand on your toes. I'm about 5'6" and I struggle to see what temperature it's at, but I'm sure when we've started using the oven more, we'll just know it anyway, so it's not a huge problem. The interface is really pretty and really easy to use, so that's just the clock setting, which is really simple. You can also set it so it switches off the oven with the timer, which is quite useful for us because we've got a 1-year-old running around the house, so it's useful for when we're busy with her and we don't want to burn our tea. So this part is what we tend to use for things like pizzas and cakes. It's just the smaller part of the oven, which is plenty, and then we've got the bigger part here, which we tend to use for things like roast dinners, or if we're cooking two separate things, it's good that we can have the two different temperatures. The one slight thing that we don't particularly like about these is it's got the anti-slip on these frames, which means that if you tilt it, the baking trays aren't going to fall off. But if you're lazy like us and use towels to get things out of the oven, it can be quite fiddly. So the baking tray here, it tends to get a bit stuck, so if you're trying to pull it out, it's a little bit tricky. Sorry, that was quite noisy. Okay, so that was our AEG oven. So it does have a defrost setting as well, which we've used, which helps us. Well, we don't need to use the microwave, so if we're defrosting chicken, we tend to defrost it first in the oven and then put it straight back again in the oven, which just saves a slight chore of using your microwave. It's got a good height maximum temperature, which is about 275 degrees, but we probably won't use anything that high personally. The one thing that we would have liked would maybe be like an oven cleaning system, which we've had before, which is where you put some water in and it steams your oven for you, but like I said, it's a basic standard of oven and it doesn't particularly do anything, but it looks lovely and it feels really nice and good quality. Thanks for watching.